everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you my most recent go-to eye look. I have been finding myself recreating this over and over, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I've been using all sorts of different palettes to recreate this look, but lately I've been trying out the Morphe James Charles palette, so that is what I'll be using today to show you guys. And I have already applied foundation and powder to my eyelids, acting as primer. And then the first shade that I will be going in with is this one here. And I believe, let's see, it is called Punch Me. And taking that on a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, I'm applying this right into my socket and blending it into my nose contour. Then with a smaller blending brush, this is JH40, it looks like this, I will be taking the color Canvas. It's this one right here, right up my brow bone. One, to clean up my brows, and also to blend out the edges of that first color. Then you can just use that first brush to blend the two colors together, right where they meet. The next color I'll be using is this one. It's called Code James, and this one called 10% Off. I'm kind of mixing the two together to fill in and deepen this socket. And I'm doing that on a JH33 brush. And feel free to just take that all the way down to the lash line. Then with the dark brown here, which is called Spooky, I'm going to take that into the outer corner of my crease with the same brush. Just deepen that up. But I don't want to make a deliberate cut crease. Just deepening the outer corner and blending it out. And this is all the eyeshadow and shading we will need for this look. Next, I am going to line my eyes with this Shu Uemura liner. It is this really cool like ink liner. It's almost like a calligraphy pen. It makes the most awesome defined fine line, but the only thing is it's not waterproof, but that's okay. I don't really like to use waterproof every day anyway, so this has been what I've been using a lot lately. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lift up my eye with the liner. So I'm gonna draw it up, make it close to you guys, and then just apply it to my lash line. Just like that. This liner is also super pigmented. So I just need like a few strokes and it's done. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with my trusty Shu Uemura eyelash curler. If you have Asian eyes, this is the eyelash curler for you. Honestly, any type of eye shape, this is just a really good eyelash curler. Then I'll be taking the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes 5-star mascara in glossy black. This is what it looks like. Just gonna apply a thin coat since I'll be using false lashes today. Now for my bottom lashes, you'll notice that I haven't put any eyeshadow or anything down. I set my concealer with powder, and for that I used the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in translucent. I've been really liking this lately. So that is what I used. Not applying any eyeshadow on the bottom helps kind of just lift your eye up and makes your eyes appear very youthful. And just one less step, so that means this look will be quicker to do. This is honestly, how I discovered this look, because I was just trying to cut corners and then I realized I really liked the way it looked. One thing that I've been really loving lately is using a matte highlighter. This is from the Bare Minerals contour palette, and I'm using this highlight shade in the color Pop. And I just take a flat brush like this. This is the JH41. Clean up and help highlight this area. And then with a brush like this is JH08. I'm gonna take that under my eyes as well and blend it up here. So it really accentuates this highlighted brightness under the eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of that here in the inner corner and down my nose. Now for lashes, I'll be using these. I've been using these quite a lot lately. Sorry they look crazy on my fingers. They are Kiss lashes in number 11. They're really comfortable also. But they make quite the difference. I really like how these lashes just kind of go in the same direction as my eyeliner. So it just flows really well together. And that's really the completed eye look. I am gonna apply some blush and lipstick and show you how I finish it off. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Chic to Cheek Swish and Pop Blusher in the color First Love. Really like how subtle pink this is. And it's not too shimmery, which I really like. My cheeks definitely need some blush after all that highlight. So for lips, this is my new favorite lip color. I've been loving this. This is also by Beauty Bakery, and this is in the color Bubblegum Crisis. I think it's a really pretty pink. I have a hard time finding a pink that works for me, and this has been a color that I've just been really reaching for almost every day. And I like to wear it with a gloss or some type of lip balm, and it doesn't break down under the gloss and smear everywhere, which I really like, and I find that it's still really long wearing. So I will apply this. I will be taking this NARS lip balm in Orgasm. It's really great. It's called Afterglow Lip Balm. I've been using this quite a lot, and I will just apply this over top. It has a slight tint, but it's nothing that really drastically changes the color of your lips. And as you can see, that liquid lipstick does not move underneath. It's pretty cool. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I just love the way it just makes me look really youthful and awake. I've been really tired lately and not getting enough sleep with a 4-month-old and a 3-year-old, but this makeup look has been making me feel really good. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!